So I'm going to do a tear down on this thing so I can get everything cleaned up and lubed up and moving smoothly, and do an inspection so I can make sure that nothing's broke. You know, there's some stuff that obviously you can't see from the outside, so I want to check it and make sure everything's good. First thing I'm going to do is get this movable jaw out, but man, this thing is heavy. I'm going to change gears here and take the lead screw and the retainer off, because if nothing else, it'll lighten it up by 10 or 20 pounds so that it'll be easier to pull that movable jaw off. The size of that. That thing's pretty big. So the lead screw itself is 22.5 inches long. It's 1 inch and 3/8 wide, and there are 2-inch mark. 1, 2, 3. 3 threads per inch. Same as this one, which is a smaller lead screw, but looks like the threads per inch is still the same. Now it's time to try to get those giant movable jaws out. That. 28 inches, give or take. All right, so let's take a look in here. That looks pretty clean. That's good. We'll take this out, clean this up too. Take a look at it, but from here it doesn't appear to have any cracks, and I'll have to figure out something for this ear that's been broken off so that it's strong on this side. But for now, we'll make it easy to flip down. And I gotta grab that pin and remove it so I can pull out the vise nut. I may have driven the pin out the wrong way, but it went. There was our pin. our vise nut. You can see the ends are flared out a little bit, so these are the places where it puts the pressure on these dovetails. Which look to be in good shape. So we'll start by cleaning this off and cleaning that out, cleaning up our lead screw, cleaning this thing up so everything moves nice and smoothly.